Hey everyone, welcome back to my series on solving LeetCode problems from easy to hard. And now we're moving on to path sum. Okay, so what is path sum? I don't know. Let's check it out. Given the root of a binary tree and an integer target sum, return true if the tree has a root to leaf path such that adding up all the values along the path equals target sum. Okay. Yeah, I guess this is going to be pretty easy. I'm gonna move. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for moving my camera, I'm going to recursively check the value. So if we get to 2, oh, we got a 2. Get to 3, we got a 7. We got 7, we got a 7. Then we come here, we check 11 plus 7. We check if that is the target. Then we check 11 plus 2. Okay, if that is the target. Well, if it is, then we return yes, we have it. If not, we do the same thing. We propagate 11 plus 7 to 4 and 11 plus 2 to 4. So you sum all of this. So you'll always have two sum possibilities. Or actually, no, you have a lot of sum possibilities. So here we have 1 and 2, 3, but it could have more. If 4 had more children, it could have way more sum possibilities, from 5 all the way to some nodes over here. Okay, but that doesn't really matter because it's gonna work nonetheless. I'm gonna create a different function because I want to return different things than this function returns. And what do I want to do? So result equals self.rec root and target sum. So here what we do is if x equals x is none, return false 0. So it returns a boolean and a number. So false is saying no, we didn't reach the target here, and root. No, we didn't reach the target, and the sum is 0. So if we continue, now we need to get the, actually, it doesn't return 0, it returns a list with 0. So left res left flag. So I want to know from the left side of each of the nodes, I want to know if it was a success, because if it is a success, I just return true, it doesn't matter. If not, I need to get an array of all the possible sums. Left res equals self dot ref of roots dot left target, and same thing for, come on mouse, right. So if left flag or right flag return true, and it can be a 0, it doesn't really matter. So otherwise, all res equals x plus root dot val for x in left rest plus right rest. And now we just return target in all res, which is either true or false, and all res. X is none. Oh yeah, I switched it to root. And also I'm not returning the result here. So it failed anyway. Well, work. Let's just submit. Wrong answer on 92. Okay, so why did it fail? Root 1 and 2. I think I can just go for the edge case if root. Oh yeah, I know why this is failing. Because I'm checking like 5 plus 4 plus 11 plus 7. I'm not checking 5 plus 4. So I should also plus root dot val. So this started failing now? Or did it fail before and I didn't see? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Target sum is 5. Yeah, it doesn't work. So x plus. Oh, yeah, of course. Plus 0. That's like for the root val alone. Expected false? Why? Oh, that needs to be a root to leaf path. Uh, hmm. Then this was right, actually. And I take back a lot of the things that I said. It won't be 5 plus 4. That's not a possibility. It needs to be 5 plus 4 plus 11 plus 2. It needs to end here. So why is it failing? So root is none, return false in that. Root is 1, 2. Okay, let's imagine. Root is this. Root is not none. Left flag, yeah. Left flag won't be true, will it? Left, it will be 2. I need to run on the debugger. Make directory of 112 path sum. Go to 112 path sum. It's probably a silly, silly mistake. The worst part of it is that I need to code tree nodes. So solution, cursive. Actually, no, I don't want to do path sum. This is what I want. Path sum of. Hopefully, this is a small edge case, so we know the value is 1, and it has a tree node of value 2, and that's it. The target sum is 1. Okay, so now it's 2. Same thing. False, false. Two, 2. Okay, this shouldn't happen. Actually, if root is none, or root dot left is none, and root dot right is none, let's go with this. And now we can just go root dot val. Root is not, root is not false root val. No, I don't want to do root val. Do 0. And I can change this to another condition if return false root dot val. The hell happened? Pretend like this didn't happen. Windows. Root is none. Of 2. Okay, so left flag, right flag, is false, 0, 2, and 0. Oh, actually, this is not good. I don't want to return 0, I want to return an empty array. Because then 0 plus 1 equals 1. I'm even gonna skip all of this. False. Exactly. Submitting. Root 1, target sum 1, output false, expected true. Well, I'm just gonna add an edge case here. If root dot left is none and root dot right is none and root dot val equals target sum, return true. If root as well. Okay, why did this fail? Negative numbers. Let's see why. So 1 minus 3 minus 2. 1 minus 3 plus 3. 1 minus 2. 1. I have an absolute somewhere. No. I guess I just need to code this. No. So 3 minus 3. 1. No, minus 2. So these are the ones on the right. The ones on the left are 1 minus 2 and then 3 nodes, which is a 1, and a 3 node, which is a 3. And on this 3 node, that is a 1, we have a 3 node, which is a minus 1. I guess this is it. And the result is true, it should be false. And why is it true? Okay, because I still have these flag things that I decided to do. Yeah, so this is garbage. This is absolute rubbish. and it goes all the way here. And what we need to check is if target sum is in results. So I'm going to print this. Yeah, so I misunderstood the problem in the beginning and it was haunting me. Yeah. Right? I'm gonna submit again just for the sake of it. And yeah, great results now. From 54 milliseconds to 46 milliseconds. And some memory dropped. Hope you guys have enjoyed it.